It doesn't take much to crowd out my welding table with stuff while I'm working on something. So I made a rolling tool stand for my grinder, sander, and drill press. It also has plenty of storage. Everything but the paint was free or was lying around in my shop. Here's the build.
The way my days begin, I wonder if they'll never end. A bit of truth is on my mind, and many hours that I'll never spend. When two problems stand before me, they don't answer to the question why. Please tell them to ignore me. I'm not the most decisive guy. If the world refused to move, and you were stuck in time, or couldn't speak or read my mind, I'd take the lesser of the two, so I could train my thoughts on you, and let you know our love is still alive. Oh. Don't know what I'm saying or what you'll do until I'm doing this. My life is complicated. No stranger to an awful mess. I'm too white to sing the blues, but too blue not to sing, I guess. So I let 'em work when the shadows lurk and hope my heart knows best. I've had some time to think it through, and if we could walk away, or maybe steal another day, I'll take the lesser of the two, so I could make that time with you, and try to find a way to feel brand new. I never claimed to be better than the rest, but the weight of almost feeling second best is pulling me down, 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 down. When the light of reason takes effect, maybe you'll agree that we're playing on the same team. Stop striking me out. Nothing to cheer about. If I could look back in ahead, or I could never look back again, I'll take the lesser of the two, so I could move ahead with you, and we would see the future coming true. If you're out there, let me know. And if you're with me, won't you let it show? But if you wanna see me walk, you wanna see me howl like a dog, oh, you're gonna see me go. Will I see you at the show? Mama called, said you ain't got no money, you just let me know. I'm gonna sneak you through the bed, or we're gonna pull off of my flash. All you've got to do is ask. See, I poured my heart out. That's why I know that you know. I'm here howling like a wolf with the wind. You look at me and tell me that this does not feel like it's